My name is Paige Gary with Paige Gary Sold by Design. My room that I decorated this year is the upstairs teenage boys room in the 2023 Acadiana St. Jude Dream Home. I've had over 25 years of interior design experience, and I'm also a licensed real estate agent. While I'm not doing that much interior design work, this is the one project that I can't tear myself away from. Real estate has been exciting these last couple of years, and so I haven't been able to devote as much time to interior design, but I'm always going to devote time to the Acadiana St. Jude Dream Home. I've been involved with the Acadiana St. Jude Dream Home since its inception, which I think we're on year 13 now. It's always an honor to be included in the list of designers that come out and dedicate their time and their experience to make the home just a showcase and show-worthy. Our main goal is to get people inside of the house so that they're more likely to buy their $100 tickets. And our goal is just to raise as much money for the St. Jude Children's Hospital. And ultimately, our goal is to cure childhood cancer. My husband David and I have been incredibly blessed to have 4 healthy daughters. I think it's important that we always give back to our community, and I just love the way that the St. Jude Children's Hospital has been so instrumental in so many cases in the Lafayette area, the Acadiana area. St. Jude has become just an absolute important philanthropy to me. I even will devote some of my real estate commissions to go ahead and make contributions to this philanthropy. It's just that important. My husband and I are so blessed, and I can't imagine how other parents feel when they get that cancer diagnosis for their children. So it's just a little bit that I can do, and I gladly, willingly, wholeheartedly will do it. This year's home is an amazing home. The designers have really spent some time working on details, and I think the consistent thing that we're all noticing is that color is back. Designers have been very bold with their colors. In my room, I got some inspiration from the beautiful Delta Brizo faucet. It has kind of a wood paneling on the faucet. It's a new product from Delta Brizo. So I used that as kind of a jumping off point, and I was able to incorporate something that I have been seeing and admiring on Pinterest a lot, and that's a wood slat wall. So I went ahead and got my contractor, who again donated his time, and he and I figured out how to do it based on YouTube and Pinterest, and I think it just turned out fantastic. I actually got a text last night from someone that had come through this weekend, and they just told me how much they liked it and thought it was incredibly unique. To be able to make a $100 investment and potentially win a home of this caliber is just such a unique opportunity. And I do understand that the reason why people make that $100 contribution is not in hopes of winning a home, it's in hopes of curing childhood cancer. So I encourage everyone to come out, tour the home. If you can't do it, it's fine. Just call the St. Jude hotline and make that contribution, and we'll all do our part year after year to keep this project going.